In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Porkbun domain to your card website. I'm going to break it down in very simple and easy to understand English. So here's what you need to do. So first, open up Card and then go to your dashboard. This is provided you've already created your website. If you have, you'll see it on your dashboard. You want to click on the settings icon, which will take you into the back end of your site. Here, click on the site button on the left, and then it's going to take you to this window. If you scroll down, you're most likely going to be published already to a card subdomain. If you want to change this to a custom domain, there'll probably be a padlock icon next to the custom domain. If you click on that, it will start a free 7-day trial for card.co. Now, after the 7 days is up, you can then decide if you want to continue, and it will be $19 per year. But to connect a custom domain, you need a pro plan. So go ahead and click publish to a custom domain, start your trial, and then you need to enter in your domain here. So here I am on Porkbun. I'm going to connect my domain here. Before I connect it though, I'm going to go to DNS and just make sure that everything is going to be reset and back to normal. I'm also going to go to name servers to make sure we've got the Porkbun name servers. So as you can see on DNS, we've got no value and the name servers were the default Porkbun ones. So we can copy this and we can paste it in here. It's going to then check, and as you can see, it is now available. And here we can add an A record and a CNAME record to Porkbun and get this connected. So on Porkbun, you want to go to DNS, which is going to be under your domain. And once you've done that, you can then add both of these DNS records. So if you follow along here, the first one we need to add is going to be an A record. The host is going to be at, and the target is going to be this IP address here. So remember, A record, host, at, target. We can click here and we can copy. So we're going to leave it on A record, host, at, target or value, paste in this IP address from here. Very simple copy and paste job. Click add and it then should get added. And as you can see, it is now added, right? So now we've added this. Now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and add the second record, which is going to be CNAME, www, and the target we're going to copy from here. So we'll go and click type. We'll then look for CNAME. So remember, it's this one, not this one. Then for the host, www. And then for the value, you want to paste in this here that we've just copied from the target section. Then click add, and then just scroll down and you should have both of these DNS records. They both should be added. You can then go back to card and click on save changes. And once you've done that, it's just a case of being patient. So you can see they were saved successfully. Now it's going to take up to 48 hours for the DNS servers to propagate. Card says here it's going to take up to an hour. So you just need to be patient and wait, because it isn't going to publish straight away. You can copy your domain. You can open up incognito window and you can try and go to it. And yeah, as you can see here, it's giving us an error. This is because you need to wait for the DNS servers to propagate. I'm going to come back in around 10 to 15 minutes once this has updated and once it is all working. Just believe me, I'm not going to change anything else. I'm just going to be patient. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and everything seems to be working now. I just waited, and now if we check, we open an incognito window, we paste in the domain, it should work. So there you go, Bradley Knowledge. And it's taken us to the card website. So it is that easy. As long as you've got those 2 DNS records in order, it will work. Just be patient and give it time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.